Ready to snag some code from the GitHub galaxy and supercharge your projects? First, find the GitHub repository you're interested in. And once you're there, look for the inviting green button labeled code. Clicking this reveals a drop-down menu, giving you several options. The most direct is cloning the repository. Cloning with Git downloads the entire project to your computer, ensuring you have everything. And to accomplish this, copy either the HTTPS or SSH link. Open your terminal and just type git clone followed by the copied link and hit enter. But what if you only need a specific file? Well, GitHub doesn't offer a direct download for single files, so you'll need to navigate to the file, view the raw content, and then save the page. Now a quick word on branches and forks. Branches allow you to experiment without affecting the main codebase, while forking creates your own copy of the repository. Ideal for contributing to the project. Understanding these concepts unlocks the true power of GitHub's collaborative environment. That's it, time to conquer that code.